Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can actually change languages inside of Google Analytics. So there's a few reasons why you might want to do this. You might not actually be fluent in English, so you could change it to your native language. You could be targeting a specific audience in a particular country, so you may want to change the language of the analytics to match the language of your audience. Or you may even just be working with a team that speaks a different language and you want to change it so that it makes it easier for everyone. So they have actually recently updated the UI, so it's no longer in the same spot it used to be. So the way to actually find it would be to first come on the dashboard like I'm on here. And then what we want to do is just head into the bottom left corner where we can find this cog, which will take us to the admin. Now by default it puts us on this admin tab at the top here. And as you can see, we can see all these admin settings. However, we won't find the language in here. We will actually find it under this user tab here. So if we just go up to the top where it says admin, next to it says user, and we just want to go ahead and click on that. Then here we can see a bit of account information, and if we just look on this main bit here, the second option down is actually our language. So we can click on this here and we can either type in our language or we can just scroll down and look for it. And then once we have actually found the language that we want to change to, let's just say I was changing it to Ireland English, we could go down to the bottom and then select save changes, and as you can see there, it's now saved and our language also would have changed. Now I'm just going to put this back to United Kingdom. And that is exactly how you can change your language in Google Analytics. So I hope you found this video helpful, and I hope you successfully managed to update your language. Hopefully it now makes it a bit easier for you to work with the analytics platform. If you did find this video helpful, please comment down below to say that this video helped you out, and like and subscribe for more content like this. Thank you for watching.